Hey guys, Jasper here. In today's video, we're going to be building a HP streaming Netflix, YouTube, Kodi box that will stream to your TV in full res. Nice quiet operating system. It will have lots of storage. It will be there for you to watch YouTube and playback and stuff like that. It's going to be a full tutorial on how to build just really a computer that can stream to a TV, I guess. So first of all, we're going to start with the stuff we have on top of here. So for a graphics card, we've got a low power HDMI graphics card, because we're going to be running HDMI to the TV, because then we don't have to run AUX. Does have optional VGA if you really want to go VGA, but we're going with HDMI for today's video. It's like a low power, quiet fan that can do high res YouTube playback. Not 4K, but it will do about 1080, I'd say. 1080, probably 1080-60 maybe, if you're lucky. Depends on how big of the TV, I suppose. Then for a wireless, we're going with a 802.11n Wi-Fi dongle. This is going to be wireless, and don't you worry, if you're a Windows 10 user, it does come with drivers for Wi-Fi dongles. On the front, we'll be running a DVD drive, lots of USB drives, SD drives, for your I/O obsessedness. It's just a simple looking PC, micro tower, so it will fit in a shelf or next to your Xbox or whatever. We're going to be upgrading the CPU and the RAM as well. This is a Intel Core 2 Duo. This was meant to be a quad, so just pretend this is a Core 2 quad, but in reality it is a Core 2 Duo. The Core 2 quad that was coming for this is actually coming late, so unfortunately we can't install the quad until that's arrived. But for now we've got this going in there, so that will be faster than the Pentium it came with. So for the RAM, we're just going to go with 4 GB. This is a DDR3 machine. We're going with 8 gigs of RAM, so it'll be nice and snappy for when you want to play back your videos. This is optional, but we're going to install it anyway. This is a 1 TB Samsung X Skybox hard drive that we're going to install to this computer, so you can use that for storing your movies or whatever. You can also use a USB stick to, so this will come up on your screen as 1 TB or 930 GB, and the one with the Windows logo on it is the one where the Windows is kept. So yeah, so we're gonna get inside this computer, redo the thermal paste, install all the new RAM, and we'll be back when it's finished. So yeah, hope you enjoy this quick montage. So here's our finished piece. So as you can see, it's got the low power graphics card in there, the 2 TB hard drive, and 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM. Now we're going to hook it up to the monitor to first of all see if it boots into the screen, and then what can we do is hook it up to our TV. So guys, we're going to put this into HDMI 1, which is the one we used, and then we'll boot this up, install drivers for it, and see how it likes to run, I guess. When it's quiet, I say it's quiet. and look at that. I don't even have to change the resolution. And it should boot straight into Windows 10, guys. So it's doing the BIOS. So when it's going through the BIOS, it will change settings sometimes, but once it's done all that, it's fine. So as you can see, it's not the smallest, but it sure does fit there. This doesn't run hot either, it runs completely cool. With a dual core processor in there, it should be a really nice computer to use daily, whatever. It will need adjustments, of course, but yeah. It's entering. Then we'll look at the task manager to see what she's running. So guys, as you can see, 8GB of DDR3, CPU, Core 2 Duo 2.53 GHz. So even better when I said what I said. Hard drives, so we got a Samsung 1TB hard drive. This isn't too bad of a hard drive. We've got the normal hard drive it runs on. Now what we're going to do, guys, is install some drivers for the graphics card and then play back some YouTube. So it's done, guys. Watching a bit of Austin Evans. It is full resolution, the best you can get for this TV. I won't admit it's the best, but it will do for a TV. I mean, to be honest, you'd probably be better off with like a monitor to connect. I'm just saying it's possible to do it. It's 1080p. It's settled at 768. It's very, very nice and quiet. It's quite snappy with the 8GB of RAM, and I'm pretty sure with a quad core it'll be so much faster. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to Austin Evans, of course. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. 930.